Hello everyone, this is Holly from MEDIK, a professional medical furniture company. Today I'd like to show you the key equipment we use for processing the fiber laser cutting machine. Let's take a look at how this advanced equipment improves the quality of medical device products. First, let's get to know this equipment. Hans Laser is a leading brand in the laser equipment industry, known for precision and reliability. It is designed specifically for high-demand industry like medical devices. It uses advanced fiber laser technology, which ensures stable performance and good cutting quality. Now you can see it working. We are processing the home care bed here. What makes it suitable for medical furniture production? Let's look at the main benefits it brings to our products. First, high precision. Some products have very strict requirements for size accuracy. Even a small error can affect the product's use effect, even safety. Every cut is consistent and accurate. Ensure each component meets the strict standard of the medical industry. The cast edges you see here are smooth and free of burrs, so we don't need extra post-processing. This saves production time and ensure product quality. Second, little thermal impact materials used for medical furniture, such as the stainless steel, are often sensitive to heat. Traditional cutting methods can cause thermal deformation, change material properties, or create small cracks, which are not allowed for medical products. The fiber laser cutting delivers a small heat-affected area. Third, good versatility and flexibility. Medical furniture come in various shapes and sizes. It can easily handle different thicknesses to 3 mm and types of medical-grade materials. With its advanced CNC control system, it can complete the complex cutting paths efficiently, whether it's simple straight cuts or complex curved shapes. This machine can handle it well, helping us meet the different processing needs of various medical products. If you need high-quality medical furniture, please feel free to contact us. We are committed to providing you with professional services and reliable products. That's all. Thanks for watching.